Hello everyone, welcome back to YouTube channel MJ Manjari. Today I bring you very important news. There is a vacancy at Delhi Public School with salary as per 6th pay commission. If you are a teacher or looking to join a reputed school, this video is for you. Now let's see in detail. So this is the official advertisement released by DPS for academic session 26-27. Now they are looking for PGT for all subjects, and subjects are humanity, which include entrepreneurship, political science, history, economics, psychology, then commerce, computer science, physics, chemistry, maths, biology, English, physical education and art. Qualification required is postgraduate with B.Ed and minimum 4 years of experience in CBSE school, and excellent communication skill is a must. For TGT also all subject, and qualification required is graduate or postgraduate with B.Ed, minimum 3 years of teaching experience in CBSE school. Then PRT, but PRT is only for female candidate, and qualification required is graduate with B.Ed or NT-Ed state and minimum 2 years of experience. Then pre-primary teacher, this is also only for female, and qualification required is graduate with B.Ed or NTT. Now let's see this vacancy is for which school. So this vacancy is for Delhi Public School Shahid Path, which is in UP, Uttar Pradesh. Now let's see how you can apply. If you are interested to apply, you just need to send your updated CV along with latest photograph within 10 days on this mail ID, which is vacancies.dpss@gmail.com. Remember, only shortlisted candidate will be called for interview telephonic, and there is no charge for application. It's totally free of cost, and they have clearly mentioned the salary will be as per UP state 6th pay commission guideline, and also free education to teachers children. And this is the complete address of the school, which is in Lucknow. That's all for today's video. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, hype and subscribe to MJ Manjari and hit the bell icon so you don't miss future videos on teacher vacancy. See you in next video. All the best for your application.